Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have administrator rights and that the laptop is connected to the Wi-Fi network whose password you need. Once done, open the system settings appropriate to your OS. On Windows, use Control Panel or Settings. On Mac OS, use System Preferences. You do this because only admins or keychain access can reveal stored passwords. Make sure to pause on each prompt and authenticate when requested, so the system will display the saved credentials securely. You now follow the reveal path for your system. On Windows, navigate to Network and Sharing Center, click the active Wi-Fi, open Wireless Properties, then the Security tab and check Show Characters. Authenticate with admin credentials. On Mac OS, open Keychain Access, search the network name, SSID, double-click the item, and check Show Password, then enter your Mac OS account password. You do this because the OS stores encrypted credentials and requires local confirmation to prevent unauthorized access. You finish by copying the revealed password into a secure place or entering it on the target device, and then remove any exposed value from the clipboard to reduce risk. If the password isn't stored or you can't authenticate, check the router's label for the default key or log into the router admin page. If that fails, reset the router and create a new password. One troubleshooting tip: if access is denied, double-check you're using an administrator account and that device security software isn't blocking credential access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.